Hi guys, today you're going to learn how to draw a bird. Step 1, we're going to start with the body. Draw a straight line, then a little scoop. Now we're going to draw his head, big scoop like that, and a triangle tail. Now a little beak, and a wing. We want to give him an eye. And 2 legs, 1, 2. And that's how you draw a bird. There's also a different way you can draw a bird. Okay, let me show you. You do a diagonal line, a big scoop, a beak, an eyeball, a wing, 2 legs. You can do a triangle tail, or you could give him a fancy tail. It's up to you. 2 cool birds you could draw.